Nivedita, Vinay's mother. What else? I didn't get you. Can you give me the point?
Your general opinion about the Kinnegad, ma'am?
Okay, my opinion is that the place is good. The food and everything, I have found that it is good. And one opinion, okay, he has still not got accustomed to the place a bit. There is still a reluctance to come to the place. That's the only point that I have noticed a couple of times. Otherwise, I find that this is the best place to put any child.
How is this Kinnegad different from the other schools?
Yeah, mainly about my concern is mainly about where I am putting. Like I find that this is very hygienic place, and also regarding the activities that you are having, I am very much that is he is doing new things and all. He is coming to house and saying that he has done this, he has done that, and that I am finding it very. And I am not sure what others are doing, but yes, we had inquired with others also, but we didn't get this much of activities information or anything from other daycares.
Your opinion about Kinnegad daycare?
Pardon me?
About the daycare?
Yeah, it's a good place. Only thing is that he has to get accustomed to it. That's it. Yeah. Sometimes I am finding that he is taking a little bit less than he has to take. Otherwise, on usual he is fine with the food and all, and he is also getting that is like he likes the dal rice and other stuff. He comes and tells this is what he likes and all.
Hi, my name is Tanushri and I am Gargi's mother. Gargi studies in nursery in Kindercare here. She has studied in playgroup as well in Kindercare, and we have enjoyed the experience throughout. She has learned quite a lot and progressed quite a lot in terms of her language skills, in terms of her motor skills. So we are really happy about it. And last week, in her last PTI, or the parents teachers meeting, we found out that she was not picking up a lot of language skills, but now she has improved on that, and yeah, that progress is showing. And her teachers are good, and yes, she has progressed well in terms of her ability. Ragi, do you want to say something? Yes, say I'm very happy.
I'm very happy.
I like Kindercare.
I like Kindercare.
Yeah, I like Jenny ma'am. Say that.
I like Jenny ma'am.
Hi, my name is Akhila. Mayukha is my daughter's name. She is in Kindercare nursery. She has been with Kindercare for the past 2 years. She has been in the toddlers group, play group, and then now she is in nursery. My opinion about Kindercare is very good. It has given my kid all the necessary things right from feeding, and they have taken care of my kid when she was very young, and now when she has grown up, all that I see in my kid is because of Kindercare. This is a true opinion right from my heart. And I have recommended Kindercare to all my colleagues, and many of my colleagues are having the same opinion about Kindercare. I do not have any specific suggestions to them, and I request them to keep up their good work and keep encouraging the kids in the same way. Thank you.